G'day guys, I would have been on earlier, but I had problems. Um, After the Friday upload, um, we had bad weather and the, the high top of the cell towers were iced over. So we weren't getting signal and we couldn't send out a signal. Um, I think, those emergency calls like you see on your phone was all we could get, I think. And maybe not even that. I didn't ask, but so it's all out some today, so here I am. But I've almost finished the top, and you can see I already finished this part. So let's work on our last layers. I'm just doing small circles. That helps blend everything. Pulling everything in. Just pulling everything in it. So we'll have a nice blend. Now, how that one got in there. I got to use my apricot. Again, round circular motions, tiny circular motions. Tiny, tiny. And then you go to your canary yellow and keep your tips sharp, please, because you need sharp tips in some of these. You just do. Well, you need sharp points in anything you do, so always remember, keep a sharp point. Keep a sharp point on your pencil. And light pressure only. You don't want to be laying down your colors and then all of a sudden you're get straight. It looks like somebody cut your it will look like somebody cut your picture. And just where the pencil is, looks like somebody's cut the wax. That's when you're pushing too hard. And you need to let up. Alright, now we got to go to blueberry. That's not blueberry. Okay. You guys probably already finished yours while I was out. I told you what happened, right? Cell phone towers were down with ice. They've been iced till today. They had to get up there and melt and everything else just to get phone and cable services back up. They were doing it 24/7. They was even last night when it was like 20 degrees. Was it 19? It was 19. And yeah. So we just got cell back today. Now there was somebody that was talking about these pencils. and talking about smudge in a bad way. All pencil smudge, guys. Y'all do. Prismacolor does it worse than Starjoy Gold. But I want to show you something real quick. Pay attention. Take your dry finger and go back and forth across your rainbow. Now look what it did. You see what it did? Use that to your advantage. You can use those things to your advantage. And this, you can just color this whatever you want to color it. You can color it like that. Or not. You can just color it. You can color it red, green, blue. Whatever color you want to color yours. Hey, it's your mushroom. Yeah. You do with it. I wouldn't be without my Uniball Signo white gel pen. I like to put I call them fairy dots, like little fairy dust as a drop down on the shroom. Get all that fairy dust. I don't know if you can see it or not. No. Can you see all those little white dots? See, I'm just dotting it with this Uniball Signo white gel pen. That's what it is. Roll it the right way. That's it. That's what I'm using. Okay. So, y'all probably already know, but Miss Joy, Miss Lori has started a channel over there on her channel, and it's called Starjoy Gold. That's all the channel is named. And I'll go get the link to it and put it in the description of this video. And I'm sorry I've been late. It couldn't be helped. This weather was, it ain't made me feel too good, and my arthritis is bad today. Anyway, welcome to all my new subscribers. I want to thank everybody for being a subscriber. Y'all know I love you. And I think my MS meds are about to kick in, so I'm gonna go lay down and turn on the TV just in case. Alright, love you. Peace out. Bye.